Yeah, we're live. We're live. Explosion Part 5.
That's shooter right there, nigga.
Explosion Part 5, we have to blow some shit, nigga.
Alright, these niggas is about to light some big ass fucking fireworks on. Hey, niggas ain't even ready, fam. Here, y'all niggas ready for this, man? Oh shit, is it lit, fam?
Oh,
here come a damn car, cuz. Oh shit, man! Oh shit! Here he comes! Dang, niggas is wild, fam. Come on.
what's good? Yeah, you get it?
Yeah, I got it.
Niggas just look massive. Cars and shit.
Oh shit. Say it's crazy.
Niggas are out too much.